नमस्कार साथियों। पिछले वीडियो में एडवांस डिस्क्रीट मैथमेटिक्स जो चर्चा अपन कर रहे थे उसके अंदर हमने स्टेटमेंट्स की डेफिनेशंस पढ़ ली थी। स्टेटमेंट और प्रोपोजिशंस आर डिनोटेड बाय पी एंड क्यू आर such notations. And then we have discussed about the basic logical operations. We have also discussed in the last videos. First operation is disjunction, then conjunction and negations and conditional sentence. In this video we will start our operation. Logical operation is biconditional operations. Biconditional operation is denoted by this sign, and suppose let P and Q two statements. Let P and Q be two statements then P implies and implied by Q is equivalent to P implies Q and Q implies P. Or we say P if and only if Q. Biconditional statement is also read as P if and only if Q, or P then and only then Q, or we say when Q. And third, P if and only Q. So this statement read as P if and only Q, P then and only then when Q, P if and only Q. This is a biconditional statement. We have taken an example. Father promised his son that I shall purchase this mobile for you if and only if you will stand first in the examination. We have discussed in the last videos if son stand first in the examination, then father will purchase a mobile for son. These two statements we have taken. The same statements here I will take. The P implies if and only Q. ट्रुथ टेबल जो इसकी बनेगी अपने पास, P and Q. P implies Q. First we'll find out P implies Q. Then Q implies P, and then P implies Q and Q implies P, and this one will be P if and only if Q. This is a biconditional result. So let us start. First we take value of P suppose the values of P are these one. Here the statement P and the Q. P is son stands first in his exam, and Q, father purchased a mobile for son. Such type of two statements are there. P is true means son stands first in exam, and father also purchased mobile for him. Then both values are true. P implies Q. P is true and Q implies P then Q. It means this is true. Q implies P. This is also true, because we say the now sentence has changed. If father purchases mobile, then son stands in first. If we take the value false here, P value is true, then P implies Q value will be P is true, P implies Q is false, but Q implies P will be true. It is false, it is true, it is false. The value P implies Q, this is true, this is true. Q implies P, this one is false, true, this is true, this is true, this one is false. Q is true, F is false, P is false. The Q implies P is false, and this one false, and this is also false. The Q implies P is true. So P implies Q and Q implies Q. P's truth values are this one. And if we again operate both the truth value by AND operation, it means this will be true if both of these are true. Means first both these are true, this is false, and this is true. Biconditional statement of P and Q means if P, then only Q. So if P and only if Q, the result will be given by these tables. If we will consider this row, so what is this here? Truth value P is false and truth value Q is also false. If we discuss here, so truth value P is false. P is the statement son stands first in his examination. It means P does not stand, son does not stand first in his examination. Q is false. It means father also does not purchase a mobile for son. The value of biconditional statement P if and only if Q is true. Here both are false. In this statement, P is true, Q is false. If P then Q and Q then P both have opposite value, so result will be false. So this is a biconditional statement. Kind of conditional statements. One is contrapositive implication. contrapositive implication. In contrapositive implications, if P and Q are two statements, P and Q are two statements, then implication negation Q implies negation P is called contraposition of implication. P implies Q. Contraposition implication. P implies Q is an implication. Then its contraposition implication is negation Q implies negation. Negation Q implies negation P is contraposition. Or we say the contraposition of this statement is this one. The contrapositive of each other here. We are taking an example for this one. We are taking examples. If in any triangle ABC, suppose this is our triangle, this one is A, B and C. This B is taking 90 degree. ABC, angle B is 90 degree, then AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here P is angle B is 90 degree and Q in triangle ABC, and Q is our AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square in triangle ABC. Instead, P implies Q is our implication. This is implication. P implies, if angle B is 90 degree, then AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. It happens always. And its contraposition, negation of Q implies negation of P is the contraposition. In contraposition we will say negation of P. If AB square plus BC square is not equal to AC square in triangle ABC, then negation of P. Negation of P means angle B is not equal to 90 degree. So then this statement or this implications, because this is a statement joined by if and then, is the contraposition of the statement of this one, angle B is 90 degree, then AB square plus BC square is equal to this one. This is our main statement, this is our main implications, and this implication is contraposition implication. We will see the truth value about P implies Q and contraposition of P implies Q. So P we are considering here. Q, P is true, false and false. We are taking 4 cases. For Q we are considering in this way, true and false. All the 4 cases has been considered. P implies Q. This is our main implication. P implies Q. This is true. This is true and this is false, means this is false. P false but Q true. P implies Q true रहेगा, और ये false है इसलिए false है तो भी ये true रहेगा. अब चलते हैं अपन निगेशन ऑफ Q. Q का निगेशन ट्रू है, देन इट इज false. ये false होता है, उस केस में ट्रू होता है, ये ट्रू, ये false, दिस false इज ट्रू. निगेशन ऑफ P. P जब ट्रू है, निगेशन false होगा, false होगा, false है, ये ट्रू रहेगा, ये भी ट्रू रहेगा. Negation of Q implies negation of P. तो अगर अपन देखेंगे, negation of Q implies if this then this. It is false, it may be true or false, it will be true. This one true and this is false. This is false. Implications if then. So if this statement is true, then this must be true. If this is false, this is true, this is a true. This one is true and this is true, again true. Negation of Q implies negation of P. This is our contraposition implications of P implies Q. P implies Q. So here we are seeing that the P implies Q truth table, truth value is same as negation of P implies negation of Q. Contrapositive position of P implies Q is negation of P implies negation of Q, and contraposition of negation of P implies negation of Q is P implies Q, means they are contrapositive of each other. Next we will discuss about the tautology. A tautology a tautology, T-A-U, tautology is a proposition which is true for all truth values. of its components. For example, P and Q implies P is a tautology. This is a prepositions. If you take P, Q, the value of P is true, true, false, and false. This is true, false, true, false. P and Q this is true, this is false, this one is false, and this is false. P and Q means both true होगा तो true रहेगा, and P imply and Q implies P. P and Q implies P. This one true, ये true है, इसकी वैल्यू true रहेगी. ये false है इसलिए true है, true रहेगी. ये false है इसलिए false है, true रहेगी. एंड ये false है इसलिए true है. तो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर कि जो P implies Q, P and Q implies P is always a truth value T. True. This is a tautology. In any cases, P and Q may be true or false, but the value of this statement, this compound statement, is always true. So this compound statement is called the tautology. Next example we are considering. P implies P or Q. P implies P or Q. देखिए अपन लेते हैं P, Q, value of this one is true, true,